Use the tool to remove the knob panel. Take care to unplug the plug on the back of the panel when taking it out. Unscrew all screws on the base. Remove the pads from the base. Remove the bezel under the base. The plug on the bezel needs to be unplugged. Unscrew the screws on the base. Remove the base. Remove the co-pilot's glove compartment bezel and bottom panel. Unscrew all screws out the glove box. After lowering the glove box, unscrew the screws on the bottom. Remove the glove box. Remove the bezel of the console. Remove the two power cords from the console. Remove the video cable from the head unit. Remove Carplay's module and harness, and connect the Wi-Fi antenna and Bluetooth antenna to the module. Take out Carplay's LVDS IN cable, and connect it with the original car's video cable. The other end of the LVDS IN line can be led from the center console to the co-pilot. Remove Carplay's LVDS out cable, and connect it to the original car head unit. The other end of the LVDS out line is also led from the center console to the passenger compartment. Lead the white plug of the Carplay main line from the center console to the passenger compartment. Connect the two power cables of the original car to the main line of Carplay. Connect the plug on the Carplay main line to the interface corresponding to the original car head unit. Connect Carplay's USB cable and LVDS cable to the module. Connect the Carplay mainline plug. The module can be placed in the space behind the glove box, and the Carplay installation is completed, and the original car layout can be restored. Before use, you need to match the vehicle Bluetooth. Enter the media interface in the original vehicle system, and select Bluetooth music. Select Bluetooth settings, select Add Bluetooth device and search for the device. Turn on Bluetooth on the phone, search for and connect to the original car Bluetooth. Click Pair and wait for the connection to succeed. Enter the media interface in the original car system to make sure that Bluetooth music is selected, and the music is playing normally. Press and hold the Next Song button on the steering wheel to switch the Carplay system. Enter the setting interface of Carplay, and enter the factory mode in the system information. Enter into the phone connection settings, and check the Disable Phone Link Audio option. You can enter Carplay's Bluetooth interface to view Bluetooth name and other information. Turn on Bluetooth on the phone settings interface, search for and connect to Carplay's Bluetooth. Click Use Carplay. After connect successfully, you can enjoy wireless Carplay.
理想的模样，身着朴素的衣裳，翻过城门与高墙，走最自由那一
这是空调信息显示。
且那风也还响，一路坎坷总要去经历它。我们翻过山
这是空调同步显示。
去寻无人知晓的花，你呀，在黑夜别害怕，萤火月光做沿路的灯塔。我们风作伴梦纵马，追啊迎啊醉。
准备出发，全程75公里，大约需要2小时2分。前方左转。
这是繁华切
到
割
的地址持
应该加减。
续为您导航。
先生们，本次飞行航班预计30秒后
这是音量条显示。
由缅北机场飞往。
我们走的是原厂的蓝牙音频。这是仪表显示歌词。这是语音控制。打电话给10086。
珍贵的